All right, welcome back to the 11-foot homemade DIY foam kayak. All right, so I'm gonna move you further away from the air conditioner because it's hot and humid. All right, I haven't glued all that in there, any of that in there, but the last thing we did was glue these pieces in here for the foot pegs, like that, which we're not gonna put in yet. Then I put in a couple pieces for to mount things on here and there and there up at the front. And then my magnet for tools or whatever. Now, and remember we laid that paper in there and traced out the bottom. So that's what this is right here. That's the paper I traced out on the bottom. And since this is handmade and not, symmetrical, I'm gonna tape it on here like this, which I've already done, and I'll come in with a marker and kind of overlap the. I'm going to trace the pattern right on the wood. Once I get this pattern traced, I'll cut it out. Remember, I'm tracing on the outside of the pattern, so don't cut outside of the pencil line. Cut on the inside. Here, you cut out here, it's going to be too big, and you have a whole bunch of sanding to do or some trimming to do. Trimming with a jigsaw is going to be difficult. Now, you can do this I want to stiffen up the floor or the sole, whatever they call it. And you can do this with just adding another piece of 2-inch foam, but I don't want it to sit that high up. And this board is only 14 bucks. This piece of foam right here is $37. So I'm not gonna. So far, I'm only into this kayak for 3 pieces of foam and some labor. So it's just whichever route you want to take. You can probably reinforce the bottom of it by, adding sticks to it or whatever. Oops. Hand's not so steady anymore. Don't try to do it this way, otherwise you'll run up under the paper. Hold your pen down at an angle like this, or pencil, whatever you're using. Wow, okay. Become difficult here. Try not to tear your pattern up thinking, well, I'm all done. Pull it off a little at a time. Save your pattern in case you have to do it over again. There we go. And if you need to, you can go and fill in the spots along here, depending on how good you are with your jigsaw or whatever saw you're going to cut this with. So, all right, that's today's video. I gotta go to work. You can hear my work phone binging. I'll see y'all later. Please remember to leave me a comment, ask a question, or give me pointers, because this is my first one of these.